Welcome to the party your screen just got a whole lot more awesome. Today we're diving into the wild world of AI agents. We're creating an AI so smart, it might just replace Google, or at least try really hard to.
Now create the following files. Requirements.txt, main.py, .env.
Let's talk about the .env file. This is where you'll store your API keys securely. Never hardcode your API keys directly in your scripts. Make sure to replace the placeholders with your actual API keys. Once you've done that, save the file. You can find the API keys in the PhiData website and Groq website. The requirements.txt includes PhiData, Python.env, Groq, and DuckDuckGo search, which will let you install the required dependencies. Now open your terminal and type in the following command to install them. First type in the code and listen parallel. Now type the following imports, and then type in the following code. And here comes your lovely explanation. Groq model is the AI brain powering the agent. DuckDuckGo tools lets the agent search the web using DuckDuckGo's search or fetch news using DuckDuckGo News. Instructions tells model to use DuckDuckGo News for updates, otherwise use DuckDuckGo search. Show_tool_calls equals true makes the agent shows which tool it's using. Markdown equals true makes formats responses in Markdown for readability. Stream equals true makes streams the response in real time. All these power holders had joined together to form our Google Destroyer web search agent. When you ask, who is the owner of Twitter? The agent uses DuckDuckGo's search to find and stream the answer. The agent searched for owner of Twitter using DuckDuckGo and found that the current owner is Elon Musk, who bought Twitter for $44 billion. Before Musk, Twitter was owned by Twitter Incorporated, with key figures like Jack Dorsey, co-founder and former CEO, playing major roles. Wow, it was correct. It's Mr. Musk.
Alright, let's keep it clean and simple. The previous project video hit 30 likes. Thanks for the support. Now, we're on to project 2, and it's already under 3 minutes of your time. But here's the catch. We need 50 likes to unlock project 3, which I'm already brainstorming for you. If you want to see what's next, whether it's wild, crazy, or just plain cool, hit that like button. Think of it as feeding the creative machine. Every like gets us closer to the next big thing. Let's make it happen. 50 likes equals project 3. Don't miss out. Hit like, and let's keep this momentum going.